This is how you trade a ProfitHub signal in just a few taps. When a new signal drops in our Telegram channel, you can run it on Signal Bot v5 instantly. Let's walk through it step by step. Every signal arrives as a card like this. First, the market to trade here, volatility 75. Next, the prediction digit. Your bot will bet that the next digit is different from it. Run with signal is set to true. Then your stake, shown as a percentage of your capital. And the validity, each signal is good for 3 minutes, with the exact expiry time. At the bottom of every signal is the load and run button. Just tap it. It instantly opens ProfitHub.trade and loads Signal Bot v5 for you. The market is selected, the prediction digit is filled in, and run with signal is already turned on. Now you only set 2 things yourself. Your stake, using the percentage from the signal, and your stop loss, the maximum you want to risk. Then press run, and the bot takes over. The bot trades matches, differs on Deriv. It buys differs, winning whenever the next digit is anything but the excluded one. If a trade loses, smart split recovery steps in, spreading the recovery across several trades to win it back. It keeps running until your target is reached, or your stop loss protects you. And that's it. Tap, set your stake and stop loss, and run. Join our Telegram channel to catch every signal the moment it drops. ProfitHub, trade smarter.